What's up, everybody? Happy to see you virtually. I just got back from Mont St-Hilaire, Quebec. I'm a healthcare worker, as some people know, and I was on vacation this week, so I took advantage of the time to go out and climb some mountains and do some bouldering, which, if you don't know, is basically climbing on boulders without the aid of harnesses or anything like that. But I also went to a beautiful Indigenous sharing center where you can go and learn about Indigenous stories, Indigenous artifacts, culture, and it was just a wonderful place. They also had artifacts from local Indigenous artists, and that's where I got this beautiful wolf claw necklace, which I love. Really, I resonate with that energy of the wolf spirit. You know, that fits with me. But anyway, I thought, since I couldn't record a gaming video since I was out in the wilderness, that I would just record some first-person bouldering footage, climbing on boulders, no harnesses, just having fun, being like a kid. So if you're city-bound and you just want a taste of the countryside, the wilderness, the natural environment to which we are intimately connected, enjoy.
I'm up here climbing the mountain of Mont St-Hilaire, far away from Adeptus Studios, far away from the gaming. We're having a wonderful time in nature. Highly recommend it. Beautiful vegetation, caves. It's just a beautiful time. Rejuvenating, reconnecting with the natural roots. Equally important to playing games and having fun in the virtual realm. Went the wrong way. Can I go through here? Let's find out. Oh man. This ain't no game. This is real life. crazy.
And while I was in the charming town of Mont St-Hilaire, I was coming back at night and I was blessed by the sight of fireflies, which I don't think I've seen in a good 10 years probably. And when I was walking down the country roads at night, you just saw the flickering of gold and the light, mirroring the stars above, and that light that inspires awe from the heavens. So those flashes of the starry light from the insects and the stars above, it was just awe-inspiring. Here's some horrible quality footage of that moment.
I love fireflies. Look at them flashing. They're amazing.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little taste of my vacation, time away in nature, enjoying, just reconnecting. So if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more things like this, more exploratory videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps little channels like this to gain visibility where we get hidden in the depths of the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. This is Adeptus. Take care.